The dogs are all going to look back at me when I start talking. But that's okay. We are traveling, good dogs, on the Iditarod Trail. You can see two markers coming up on the trail. One on the left is an Iditarod marker. It's got a blue flag on it. One on the right actually says Iron Dog. No machine race, dog race. So here we are. I thought I'd give you a view of my sled and what we got going on here. Hold on to your dear life handlebar. Only have one hand on it right now, but oftentimes have two. This is a headlight, actually. It can shine light up the whole trail. And I use that a lot in really challenging trail situations. The dogs can see a lot better. We got our trail hooks. This is an axe. An axe anytime. This is my surfboard leash. Wrap that around your arm. Take that off a little bit. And we've got our ski poles sticking out. You can grab the ski poles pretty easily and put them right in. And this is my drinking thermos. It's all the way down in the sled, and this is a straw. So you drink. Looking down, that's the brake right there. It's supposed to be able to stop the dog. And this is the drag. It's supposed to be able to slow down the dog. You can compartments on the top of the sled. This one can hold gloves, spare gloves, snacks, human snacks. Sometimes my headlight or sunglasses. Stuff I grab quickly. Package down there. That holds dog snacks. You get to it quickly and give them snacks. Good dog! Alright, good girl, Olivia. Then, quick look. Oh, that's my tracker. GPS tracker. It's supposed to tell where I am. Inside. We'll go inside some other day. Anyway. Alright, what do you think, you guys? Get on down the road.